So hello and what's up everybody, welcome back to Screen Technicals. Today in this video we are going to display our, you can say, our orders on our, you can say, this orders page, right? And in the previous video we had just created, you can say, this template, right? So without wasting much time, let's open our VS Code, and you can say inside this views.py, you can say in this orders function we are going to fetch you can say our orders, and then we are going to pass that inside the context, and to that, and that will be just, we're going to pass that to the template, right? So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to use the try except block, right? Just right here pass, and inside and after that right here except, okay, exception, okay, exception, okay, just make this easy as capital exception, right? And it will be pass, simple, right? And inside this try block, what I'm going to write here right now is I want to fetch the current username first. So I'm going to write here current current underscore username, right? And then I'm going to write here is request dot user dot username, right? So this is going to give me the current user, and then I want to fetch, you can say, the user model. So right here user will be equals to user, okay, it is user dot objects, okay, objects dot filter username, that will be equals to current username, right? And then I want to fetch that model, so I'm going to write here first, right? So this is going to give me that particular instance of that user, right, of the current user. Now after that I want to fetch all the orders of my current user, so I'm going to write here orders, this will be equals to, or you can simply write here order, right, and make it as orders, right? That will be better, right? Orders will be equals to orders dot objects dot filter, right? And I'm going to filter my user, this is going to be my current user, right? And then I'm going to pass this, you can say, using that context, right? So I'm going to write here context, this will be equals to, okay, I'm going to pass the orders, right? And then this will be, okay, orders, just like that, right? Give the comma. So this, I'm going to pass this context to my HTML page, just like this, right? And then I'm going to display my orders on my HTML page, right? So open up the orders.html, right? And using the for loop we are going to display that, right? So after this table row, right, this, you can say, this basic table row, I'm going to just use the for loop, right, for order in orders, right? And then I'm going to take up, you can say, this and for to this point, where is that, um, up to this page, that, save this thing, go to the browser, let's refresh it and let's see what is happening. You can see this, it has been repeated 2 times, right? And let's try to, you can say, display the content. So this is going to be order dot pizza underscore name, save that thing, right? And this is going to be the pizza description. So I'm going to write here order dot pizza underscore desc, right? And then I'm going to pass, you can say, the ID of that order, so it will be order dot id, right? And the name of that pizza, that is, this will be order dot pizza underscore name, just like that. And then the same thing I will do at this point, so I'm going to just copy this thing and just paste it at this point. I'm going to copy this thing again, and I'm going to copy that and then paste that at this point, just like that. Okay, okay, let's write here manually. Is order dot pizza underscore name, just like that. Save that, right? And after that, just to change this again, this will be order dot id. Save that, and I hope so we have done that all right. And one more thing we have to just update, that is this price, right? This point of thing. I hope you can see this thing, right? So this will be going to be order dot pizza underscore price, and we have to also display the quantity. So let's see, where is that quantity? um, yeah, you can see this point, at this point, this one, change that one to order dot quantity. Save that thing, go to the browser, refresh it, and you can see this thing. So you can see this, the description is pretty much lengthier. So one filter we can use at this point. So at this point, you can see in the description part, use the pipe symbol right here, truncate chars, and specify the number of characters you want to show. Let's say I want to show let's say 20 characters. Save this thing, refresh the page, and you can see this thing. Let's increase that to 50. I hope so this will be nice. Yeah, that's nice, right? So this will just truncate, you can see the description part, right? So you can see we have this American pizza as 6 and this Indian pizza as 2. Let's create some more pizzas. So you can say, let's go to the this menu page. Let's try to add more pizzas. The same, just adding this Russian pizza at this point, right? We have added 2 Russian pizzas. So just go to the orders. Okay, right here, slash orders, slash hit enter, and you can see this Russian pizza and the quantity is 2. Let's say I'm incrementing the value to 3, and let's see. Okay, just right here, orders, right? And you can see this value is 3. So that's working, right? So let's do that, right? Where is that base.html, and where is that orders? It is at this point. So this is slash orders slash, save the thing. Okay, refresh the page, and let's click on this, click on this, let's add something, click on this, and you can see this Indian pizza 3, right? So in the next video we are going to see how can we, you can say, increment or decrement these values, right? So for right now, thanks for watching this video, guys, and I will see you next time.